Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best vacuum food sealer machine to keep your food fresher for longer? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 6 best vacuum food sealer machines that deliver excellent sealing performance, durability, and value. Whether you're a home cook, fitness enthusiast, or meal prep lover, these vacuum sealers can help reduce food waste and save money. Let's get started. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and more detailed information about these products. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product, kitchen product insights. Product number 1, FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer Machine. Starting our list is the FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer Machine, one of the most trusted vacuum sealers available today. Its automatic bag detection makes sealing incredibly simple, while the built-in handheld sealer works perfectly for zipper bags, containers, and accessories. The automatic moisture detection adjusts sealing time for wet or dry foods, ensuring a secure seal every time. This machine is ideal for preserving meat, vegetables, fruits, leftovers, and meal prep containers. The roll storage and integrated cutter let you customize bag sizes without extra tools, making food storage more convenient. The powerful vacuum system extends freshness for weeks compared to ordinary storage methods, reducing freezer burn and food waste. Its sleek design also fits nicely on most kitchen countertops. If you're looking for premium performance, ease of use, and long-term reliability, the FoodSaver V4400 is an outstanding investment for home cooks and busy families. Product number 2, Innova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro. Next is the Innova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro, a favorite among home chefs and sous vide enthusiasts. Featuring an exceptionally powerful vacuum pump, it creates strong, airtight seals in seconds. Multiple sealing modes allow you to preserve delicate foods like berries while still providing maximum suction for meats and bulk food storage. Its double seal technology offers extra protection against leaks, making it perfect for long freezer storage. The compact yet durable construction is designed for frequent use without taking up too much counter space. This vacuum sealer also handles moist foods extremely well, preventing liquid from interfering with the sealing process. Whether you're preparing meals for the week or buying groceries in bulk, the Innova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro delivers professional quality results at home. Its reliable performance and premium build quality make it one of the best vacuum food sealers for serious cooks. Product number 3. MegaWise Vacuum Sealer Machine. The MegaWise Vacuum Sealer Machine is an excellent budget-friendly option that delivers impressive performance without breaking the bank. Featuring a compact and lightweight design, it's perfect for smaller kitchens, apartments, or occasional users. Despite its affordable price, it offers strong suction power that effectively removes air to preserve freshness. One-touch automatic operation makes sealing quick and easy, even for beginners. The machine supports both dry and moist food sealing, making it suitable for meats, vegetables, fruits, snacks, and leftovers. Its quiet operation and energy-efficient motor provide a pleasant user experience. MegaWise also includes starter vacuum bags, allowing you to begin preserving food immediately after unboxing. If you're new to vacuum sealing or simply want an affordable solution for everyday food storage, this model provides excellent value while helping reduce food waste and extend shelf life with reliable, consistent performance. Product number 4, Garyon Vacuum Sealer Machine. Coming in at number 4 is the Garyon Vacuum Sealer Machine, known for its slim profile and user-friendly operation. This lightweight vacuum sealer fits comfortably in compact kitchens while still delivering dependable sealing performance. The easy control panel offers separate sealing options for dry and moist foods, ensuring optimal preservation for different ingredients. Its removable upper lid simplifies cleaning, helping maintain hygiene after sealing meats or seafood. Garyon supports multiple bag sizes and works well for meal prep, freezer storage, and sous vide cooking. The vacuum process is fast and efficient, helping lock in freshness while minimizing freezer burn. The sleek design also makes storage convenient when not in use. Combining affordability, ease of maintenance, and consistent sealing performance, the Garyon Vacuum Sealer Machine is an excellent choice for beginners and anyone looking for a practical, everyday food preservation solution. Product number 5, NutriChef Food Vacuum Sealer Machine. The NutriChef Food Vacuum Sealer Machine combines simplicity, reliability, and affordability in one compact package. Its fully automatic sealing process requires minimal effort, making it an excellent choice for busy households. The soft-touch digital controls are intuitive and easy to operate, while the LED indicator lights clearly display each function. This vacuum sealer effectively preserves meats, vegetables, fruits, cheese, and dry pantry items by removing excess air and locking in freshness. The included starter bags provide everything needed to begin vacuum sealing immediately. Its compact footprint saves valuable kitchen counter space while still delivering consistent suction performance. The NutriChef also supports both dry and moist food modes, allowing greater versatility for everyday meal preparation. For users seeking an affordable yet dependable vacuum food sealer that simplifies food storage and helps reduce grocery waste, the NutriChef Food Vacuum Sealer Machine is a smart choice. Product number 6, Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 Vacuum Sealer. Rounding out our list is the Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 Vacuum Sealer, a feature-rich machine built for serious food preservation. Equipped with a powerful double vacuum pump, it provides exceptional suction for long-lasting freshness. The double heat seal adds extra durability, making it ideal for freezing meat, fish, and bulk food purchases. Multiple sealing modes allow users to customize settings for dry foods, moist foods, and delicate items. The built-in bag storage compartment and integrated cutter make creating custom-sized bags quick and convenient. Its user-friendly control panel simplifies operation while delivering consistent, professional-quality results. Whether you're preserving garden produce, preparing meals for the week, or cooking sous vide, the VS12 offers impressive versatility and dependable performance. Its robust construction and advanced features make it one of the best vacuum food sealer machines for families, meal preppers, and anyone serious about reducing food waste. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your favorite vacuum sealer, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description for today's best deals. Happy shopping!